Hello and welcome to this lesson on titration calculations. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to first calculate moles using concentration and volume. Next, use mole ratios from balanced equations. And finally, determine unknown concentrations from titration data. Let's get started. What is happening in a titration? Once you have completed your titration, you calculate the mean titer. The mean titer is the average volume of solution used in the concordant results. This is the key value that we use in titration calculations. It allows us to work out the number of moles present and ultimately the concentration of the unknown solution. Here's the exact method you should follow every time. Step 1. Write the balanced chemical equation. This gives you the mole ratio between the acid and the alkali. Step 2. Calculate the moles of the known substance using concentration multiplied by volume. Be careful. Your volume must be in decimeters cubed, not centimeters cubed. Step 3. Use the mole ratio from the balanced equation to find the moles of the unknown substance. Step 4. Calculate the concentration of the unknown solution by dividing the number of moles by the volume in decimeters cubed. Now, let us first practice the steps we have learned and apply them to our example. The equation is HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2O. This means hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. Here we have the following given values. Sodium hydroxide concentration equals 0.50 moles per decimeter cubed. Volume of sodium hydroxide equals 25.0 centimeters cubed. Mean titer of hydrochloric acid equals 20.0 centimeters cubed. Step 1. The balanced equation shows a 1-to-1 ratio. Step 2. Convert 25.0 centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed by dividing by 1,000. That gives 0.025 decimeters cubed. Now calculate the moles. 0.50 multiplied by 0.025 equals 0.0125 moles. Step 3. The ratio is 1-to-1, so the moles of hydrochloric acid are also 0.0125. Step 4. Convert 20.0 centimeters cubed to 0.020 decimeters cubed. Now calculate the concentration. 0.0125 divided by 0.020 equals 0.625 moles per decimeter cubed. Final answer, 0.625 moles per decimeter cubed. Now, let's dive into some practice exam questions. You can pause this video and try it yourself. A student titrates 0.40 moles per decimeter cubed sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. 25.0 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide reacts with 25.0 centimeters cubed of hydrochloric acid. Calculate the concentration of hydrochloric acid. The concentration of hydrochloric acid is 0.40 moles per decimeter cubed. Now here's how you secure each mark in the exam. Step 1. Write the balanced equation. NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. This shows a 1-to-1 mole ratio between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Step 2. Convert the volume of sodium hydroxide to decimeters cubed. 25.0 centimeters cubed divided by 1,000 equals 0.0250 decimeters cubed. Now calculate the moles of sodium hydroxide. Moles equals concentration multiplied by volume. Moles of sodium hydroxide equals 0.40 multiplied 0 by 0.0250. Moles of sodium hydroxide equals 0.010 moles. Step 3. Use the mole ratio from the equation. From the equation, the ratio is 1-to-1, so moles of hydrochloric acid equals 0.010 moles. Step 4. Calculate the concentration of hydrochloric acid. Concentration equals moles divided by volume. Volume of hydrochloric acid equals 25.0 centimeters cubed, which equals 0.0250 decimeters cubed. Concentration of hydrochloric acid equals 0.010 divided by 0.0250. Concentration of hydrochloric acid equals 0.40 moles per decimeter cubed. Now let's move on to the second question. You can pause this video and try it yourself. We have the given equation. 0.50 moles per decimeter cubed sodium hydroxide reacts with 30.0 centimeters cubed. The mean titer of sulfuric acid is 15.0 centimeters cubed. Calculate the concentration of sulfuric acid. The concentration of sulfuric acid is 0.50 moles per decimeter cubed. Now, here is how you secure each mark in the exam. Step 1. Convert the volume of sodium hydroxide to decimeters cubed. 30.0 centimeters cubed divided by 1,000 equals 0.0300 decimeters cubed. Step 2. Calculate the moles of sodium hydroxide. Moles equals concentration multiplied by volume. Moles of sodium hydroxide equals 0.50 multiplied by 0.030. This equals 0.0150 moles. Step 3. Use the mole ratio from the balanced equation. From the equation, sulfuric acid to sodium hydroxide is in a 1:2 ratio. This means 2 moles of sodium hydroxide react with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. So moles of sulfuric acid equals 0.0150 divided by 2. This equals 0.00750 moles. Step 4. Convert the volume of sulfuric acid to decimeters cubed. 15.0 centimeters cubed divided by 1,000 equals 0.0150 decimeters cubed. Step 5. Calculate the concentration of sulfuric acid. Concentration equals moles divided by volume. Concentration equals 0.00750 divided by 0.0150. This equals 0.50 moles per decimeter cubed. Titration questions may look complicated, but they always follow the same path. Write and balance the equation. Calculate the moles of the known substance. Use the mole ratio to find the moles of the unknown substance. Then calculate the concentration. Master these steps, and the marks will follow.